welcome back to my channel. So the year 2022's question paper, April's question paper, almost we have completed 4 mains, that is 33 questions except the constructions. We'll do it in the next video. Now we'll begin with the 5th main. So to see all the questions, as your exams are very near students, almost only 19 days are left. Please go through all the videos. I am covering almost all the questions. So whatever is difficulty level I am covering now at present. So you study so that it is like a classroom teaching only. You will be getting cleared all the doubts. Now we'll begin with the 4 marks questions. That is 5th main. The question 34. Question number is 34. It is the graph. We need to solve graph. Find the solution of a given pair of linear equations by graphical method. The first equation is x plus 2y is equal to 6. This is the one equation. Another equation is x plus y is equal to 5. So to solve it graphically, first we need to work it out to get the points. So we'll do that as, now I'll take, usually we have to take y values. So 2y is equal to 6, and if I transpose x, it becomes 6 minus x. We want only y. For the graph, the equation should be like this only. 6 minus x by 2. And the other equation, directly you will get y equal to 5 minus x. Here this 2, as it is multiplication, it becomes divided by. Now we'll prepare a table to draw the graph. For the first equation, equation number 1, if we take x values, we get the y values. So already you know that. We'll take first x value as a 0. So 6 minus 0 divided by 2, it is 6 by 2, 2 ones are 2 threes are. We got y equal to 3. Then don't take 1. If you take 1, you will get in decimals because it is divided by 2. Better go with the numbers which are divisible by 2 after subtraction. So I'll take 2. Now if you take 2, 6 minus 2 by 2 is 4 by 2, 2 you will get. Next we will take 4. 6 minus 4 by 2, 2 by 2 you will get again. If you take 4, you will get 1. Next you can take 6 directly. Enough. 4 points if you take. 6 minus 6 divided by 2, 0 by 2. So answer is also 0. This is for the first equation. Now we'll go for the second equation. The second equation directly we can write. So whatever x you take, x, y. So if you take x is 0, y becomes 5. 5 minus 0 is 5. If I take 1, it becomes 4. If I take 2, 5 minus 2 is 3. If I take 3, 5 minus 3 is 2. So one more we have to take because we have to check whether they are the intersecting lines or what. Usually in the examination you will be getting intersecting lines. If they are intersecting lines, one pair of common points we have to get. So we will check with that. Now I will take 4. If x is 4, 5 minus 4 becomes 1. So we got both 4 and 1 as the common points. Definitely the two lines are intersecting. So for that you need to draw the graph. So for this you may get 2 marks, and when you draw the graph you will get completely 4 marks. This is y, y dash, x dash, 0, x. These are positive numbers. So maximum it is up to 6. X is 2, 3, 4, 5. So you can just draw it up to 6, 7. This is x. And even in the y, the maximum is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No negative values, just you can mention it as -1, -2, that is enough. Now in the first line if you draw, when x is 0, y is 3. So 0, hold it like this, it is 3. 2, 2. So x is 2, even y is also 2. The point comes here, 2. When x is 4, y is 1. 1, 4, you will get like this. Then 6, 0, X is 6, Y is 0. You can just draw the line like this. And you can mention anywhere this equation, whatever the equation was there. Now we are going to mark the points of the second equation. When X is 0, Y is 5, 1, 4, 1, 4, 2, 3, it is 2, this is 3, 3, 2, 3, 2, 4, 1. 4, 1 is again common point. So, like this you will get, children. So, this is the 4, 1 is the intersecting point. So, you may get the x values when you solve those equations. X as 4, y as 1. This is the graphical method to solve the linear pair of linear equation. We'll go on to the next question, that is 35th question based on trigonometry. The question is based on the trigonometry. We are going to solve it now. I'll read the question first. The angle of elevation of the top of a building from the foot of a tower is 30 degrees. If I take this as the building, the tower will be more taller than the building. So, this is building I am calling, this is tower. The question is angle of elevation of the top of a building from the foot of the tower. Top of a building to the foot of the tower, this is 30 degrees. Next, and the angle of elevation of the top of the tower from the foot of the building is, this, top of the tower, this is 60 degrees. And they also have given both the tower and building are on the same level ground. If the height of the tower is 50 meters, then find the height of the building. We need to find this. This is 50 meters. So we'll name them. This is building I'll call it as A, B, C, D. This is tower. Okay. So we have to consider, we need to find AB now. For that we need to consider two triangles. One is ABC, because the tower and the building, they'll be always perpendicular to the ground. So they form 90 degree. So it will be a right angle triangle. We need to apply the trigonometry. So for that, first I'll consider in triangle ABC. Before ABC, we can go for BDC, in triangle BDC, because we know why we consider BDC first is we know DC here. So in triangle BDC, we can take a tan 60 degrees. This triangle, you can see this is the triangle. So tan it becomes, because we want DC opposite by adjacent. So tan 60 degree is equal to DC by BC. Tan 60 degree value is √3, children. So DC they have given as 50 divided by BC, we don't know. Now cross multiply, it becomes BC is equal to 50 by √3. And call it as equation 1, so that we can continue with the next. Now we'll consider the next triangle, that is triangle ABC. Now in triangle ABC, again we have tan 30 degrees. Tan 30 degrees. This is the AB. We consider BC. Opposite by adjacent means we have to take 30 degree. Tan 30 degree is equal to AB upon BC. So tan 30 degree is 1 by √3. AB we don't know. BC we know it as 50 by √3. 50 divided by √3. So this is 1 by √3. The denominator of the denominator, that is, if we take the reciprocal, it goes to numerator. √3 into AB divided by 50. Now cross multiply. So 50 comes in the LHS to the numerator like this. Then divided by √3 comes to the denominator into √3 is equal to AB. Now you can find the value 50 upon √3 into √3 becomes only 3. This is AB. So AB is equal to, you can just either leave it or you can just divide it and write 3 ones are 3, 20 remains, 3 6 are 18.66 meters. That is the height of the building. So this is. There's one more question or question, children. So we are going to solve that also now. It is about the ships. Sometimes they are giving you diagrams, sometimes they won't give you diagrams. So try to understand the question and then draw the diagrams. Now here also, as observed from the top of a 75-meter high lighthouse. So there is a lighthouse which is 75 meters height. I am calling it as AB. This is the lighthouse. From a sea level, the angles of depressions of two ships are 30 degree and 45 degree. The angles of depressions, we do it like this. So if you take, there are two ships, one is here. The angle of depression here is 30 degree. Another ship, the angle of depression here is 45 degree. Now it will not be comfortable. So we go like this. Alternate angles for the parallel lines. So this becomes 30 degree. And this is also alternate angle. It becomes 45 degree. This is for our comfort. This one we are going to take it down. So now the question is, depressions, the angles of depressions of two ships are 30 degree and 45 degree. If one ship is exactly behind the other, one ship is exactly behind the other on the same side of the lighthouse, then find the distance between the two ships. We need to find the length of CD, the distance between the two ships. So for that, directly you can consider first triangle ABD and then triangle ABC. Anyone you can take first now, because AB is common, that will be known. So I will take tan. First we will take tan 30 degree, that is in triangle ABD. In triangle ABD, tan 30 degree is equal to AB upon AD. AB upon AD. Tan 30 degree means AB upon AD completely. 1 by root 3 is equal to AB is 75 divided by AD. We don't know. I'll write it as it is. Divided by AD. So now 1 by root 3 is equal to, or you can cross multiply, AD is equal to 75 root 3. This is equation 1 you can call. Next we will take in triangle ABC, tan 45 degrees. Tan 45 degrees, this triangle now, tan 45 is equal to AB upon AC. AB upon AC. So tan 45 is 1, you know all of you. AB is 75. We don't know AC. We'll write it as it is. So AC we will get it as, if you cross multiply, it is 75 meters. Now the actual question is CD. So how do you get CD? CD is equal to AD minus AC. If I want only this much, in this complete AD, if I remove AC, we will get CD. So what is AD? AD we have got 75 root 3 minus AC we have got 75. So it is 75 if you take common, root 3 minus 1. That is the length of CD. So that completes the 35th question, children. Next we will move. The 36th question construction will be taken in the next video. I am going to, you can see it next video if you subscribe my channel. You will be getting the notifications. Daily at 7 o'clock you will be getting the notifications if you subscribe my channel. You will be getting it on time. So the last question of this question paper, because in the 38th question it is a theorem, you can do it with the textbook. So if anybody has not understood the theorems, you can write it in the comment box. I will be explaining once again. Now we are going to take the question number 37. The question number 37, that is the sector we have. It is from the chapter areas related to circles. They have given this as the length AB, AXB it is. Its length is given as 11 centimeters and this is all shaded, and this much is given as 7 centimeters. This is O and this is a CD, this is 1. So the question here is AXB and CYD are the two arcs of a concentric circles with center O. The length of the arc AXB is given 11 centimeters and OC is 7 and angle AOB is 30 degrees. Find the area of the shaded region by taking the pi value as 22 by 7. Children, here the radius of this AOB, that sector is not given, but the radius of COD, that radius is given as 7 centimeters. But instead of that, what is given? Length of an arc of a circle. We know the formula as the length of arc of circle is, the formula is length of an arc of circle formula we have theta by 360 into 2 pi r. This is the formula. And here length of an arc itself is given how much? 11. Theta is 30 degrees divided by 360 degrees. 2 into 22 by 7. We don't know the radius. We need to find the radius. So 0, 0, 3 ones are 3 12s are 2 ones are 2 6s are 2 3s are 2 11s are. So it becomes now 11 into 7. This 7 is there into 3 divided by 11 is equal to r. 11 gets cancelled. Therefore, r is equal to 21 centimeters. That is for the this vector AOB. Now, to get the area of shaded region, we have to take area of sector AOB minus area of sector COD. So, area of shaded region is equal to area of sector AOB minus area of sector COD. So the formula here is theta by 360 pi r. I'll take for the AOB, I'll take it as r square minus theta by 360. For this, I'll take r square. Now the common theta value is, we can take theta by 360 common. Theta by 360 even pi we can take common, r square minus r square. Theta value is 30 degree divided by 360 degrees into 22 by 7. So r is 21 square minus 7 square. So if you do the cancellations or calculations, you will get the value 0, 0, 3 ones are 3 12s are. So 22 by 12 into 7, and this is, I'll take it to make it easy, a plus b into a minus b. 21 plus 8, that is 21 plus 7 becomes 28 into 21 minus 7, it becomes 14. Or you can take even 21 square minus 7 square also. Now here 7 ones are 7 fours are 2 6s are 2 7s are 2 3s are 2 11s are. So the finally 11 into 4 into 7 divided by 3. 11 fours are 44 into 7 divided by 3. If you multiply, you will get 7 fours are 28. 7 fours are 28 plus 2 30 divided by 3. So centimeter square. This is the area of the given shaded region. This is the area of the given shaded region, that is 308 by 3 centimeters